Hello, my name is Rihan Badr Khan and I study English literature. I'm from Syria, from Aleppo.
I'm uploading the videos that I should send to Yanis for our project that is called What is Tomorrow? What is tomorrow for you, if you wouldn't mind to answer?
Neviens vairāk nežuļās, nekrāpjās. Visi dzīvo dzīvi, kā tai ir jābūt, un kā tas ir talsos.
Tomorrow I don't know what to do.